Okay, this is another JMAC Engine Shop rebuild completion video. Today's date is April the 29th, 2023, and this is a second video for Michael. We ran it just the other day, and we decided that it needed a new distributor, and he wanted a new filter for the air cleaner, and so we did all that. And now we're going to run it. It's all tuned and set just the way it will be when you come get it, Michael. And so I'm going to run it. For those listening other than Michael, we completely rebuilt this motor, and it's just like, I mean, it's like new. It's got all the a lot of replacement parts, and it has some performance tweaks, and now we've if you want to know more about that, you can look in the description. And all right, so Michael, we're going to run it for you, and still no muffler. There you have it, and it's ready to go, and you can figure out when you're going to come and get it, and we'll settle this up. Thanks for watching.